What does archive chats on WhatsApp mean? So if you open up your WhatsApp application, if you tap and hold on to that person, any person, and here you will have archive chat option, tap on archive, and the chat has been archived, right? You can tap on the archive section and here you will have the chat. So with archive, you can hide an individual or a group chat from your chats tab. As you can see that this person's chat is not available right here. If you go with archived, only then you will be able to see that person's chat. So by default, archive chats will stay archived when you receive a new message. You can access your archive at the top of the chats tab, which is right here. Once you tap on the top, you will have archive. And if you want to unarchive, you can select that chat and go with unarchive, which is the arrow. That's it. That's what archive chats mean. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.